Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty First and 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie. I'm excited to have you on my channel. And today we're going to be going through a bunch of Walmart Valentine's Day things. There's so many great stuff to get at Walmart for Valentine's. It's kind of like the next big holiday after Christmas, so it gets a lot of attention and a lot of aisles in Walmart. And they had a lot of great stuff. So there were some clothing items and some specialty items. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this collection that just landed at Walmart. So this is the Bridgerton Collection, and I got the sponges and also the socks. They have everything. They've got tea. They've got a tea tray. They have a little stuffed corgi dog. So I'll put some pictures up here of all the items they have, but they have so many choices. And I don't know about you, but I'm a huge Bridgerton fan. I can't wait for the next season to come out. Penelope was my favorite season by far. So definitely check these out. And then we'll talk a little bit about this pillow. This is by Way to Celebrate, which is Walmart's seasonal brand. This is $14.98. This is so soft, and it's actually a pretty good size for a pillow. This is really nice. Definitely check that out. And the Bridgerton stuff, the socks were $5 and the sponges were $10. So pretty reasonable, and it's kind of in their little like holiday section when you first walk in the store. And then nothing says a new holiday like new pajamas. I love new pajamas. They just feel so great. And this one is by Joyspun. This is their jersey pants. This is $12.98 and it's got little buttons and hearts. It's not a jogger style. It's just a regular pant leg. And I'm going to pair this with, also by Joyspun, for $5. Yes, $5. Is this little knit jersey sleep tee. So I think those will go really well together. Although you could just wear it with this, which, you know, when you're just walking around the house with the pajama pants on. This is their Valentine's Day Match Made in Heaven sweatshirt. I got this in size medium. This is only $10.98, and it's this beautiful pink that is just perfect for Valentine's Day. And then another shirt I got is this one. So this is the Cupid Club shirt. This was $7.98. This is by No Boundaries, but this is really cute. I did get this in extra large. I probably could have sized down to a large, so just kind of a mental note on that one. And then the thing that I want to pair that little sweat t-shirt with is this duster cardigan. This is by Time and True, and this is $18.98, and this is so great. It's super soft. It's got like this boucle material. I just think this is great. It also doubles as a blanket for Valentine's Day. So if you're spending the night in watching some Valentine's movies, throw on the sweatshirt, the sweatpants, and this, and you'll be good to go, all nice and cozy. And then we also have this graphic oversized sweatshirt. I did get this in size medium. This is from No Boundaries, but bows and pink for Valentine's Day. This is so great. And then I have one item that's not actually from Walmart. This one is from Target. This is a New Day, which is kind of the Target brand, and this was $25. But this purse, I mean, just look at that. That is super cute to just carry around for Valentine's Day. So all of these items I will link in the description box down below for you to check out. And I hope you find some items that you like for Valentine's Day, and happy shopping.